Have you ever wondered how alcohol causes blackouts? It's a question that piques curiosity and demands clarification. Contrary to popular belief, blackouts are not merely about passing out after a few too many drinks. It's a deeper issue, a complex process involving memory impairment. The effects of alcohol on our brain are profound and often misunderstood. So as we embark on this journey of discovery, let's shed light on these mysteries. Stick around as we delve into the science behind alcohol-induced blackouts. To understand blackouts, we first need to grasp the role alcohol plays in our bodies. When we consume alcohol, it's absorbed into our bloodstream through the stomach and small intestine. From there, it's carried to the brain, where it starts to work its mischief. Alcohol affects our central nervous system, the command center of our body, controlling everything from our heart rate to our emotions. It's a bit like a sneaky saboteur, slowing down brain function and altering communication pathways. Think of your brain like a bustling city with messages zipping back and forth like cars on the freeway. Alcohol acts like a thick fog rolling in, slowing everything down and causing a few fender benders along the way. This slowdown impacts our memory, judgment, coordination, and a host of other functions. It's this disruption that can lead to blackouts. Now that we know how alcohol works in our bodies, let's move on to the next step, the blackout. So what happens when alcohol causes a blackout? Well, let's dive into the intricacies of the human brain, the epicenter of all our thoughts, memories, and actions. You see, our brain has a region called the hippocampus. This small seahorse-shaped structure is like the memory powerhouse of our brain. It's responsible for forming new memories, helping us remember that fantastic vacation in Hawaii, or the taste of our favorite ice cream. Now, when alcohol enters the scene, things get a bit complicated. Alcohol, especially in large quantities, can inhibit the functioning of the hippocampus. In other words, it's like putting a pause on the hippocampus's ability to create new memories. The neurons in the hippocampus become less effective, and as a result, new experiences and information fail to transition from temporary to long-term memory. This inhibitory effect of alcohol can lead to two types of blackouts: fragmentary and en bloc. In a fragmentary blackout, you might forget bits and pieces of events. You might remember dancing at the party but not how you got home. It's like watching a movie with several scenes missing. On the other hand, en bloc blackouts are more severe. In these instances, individuals may not recall entire events or periods. Imagine waking up and not remembering anything about the party you attended the night before, not even stepping foot there. This is the frightening reality of an en bloc blackout. So why does this happen? While the exact mechanisms are still under study, we do know that heavy drinking can cause a surge in the neurotransmitter GABA, which slows brain activity, and a decrease in glutamate, which speeds it up. This imbalance can interfere with the hippocampus's functioning, leading to memory impairment. In essence, during a blackout, your brain is on but not recording new memories. It's like your brain is a camera that's been switched on, but someone's forgotten to hit the record button. And that, my friends, is the science behind alcohol-induced blackouts. Let's summarize what we've learned about how alcohol causes blackouts. Alcohol, a seemingly innocent social lubricant, can play the villain when it comes to our brain and memory formation. When we drink, alcohol enters our bloodstream, making a beeline for our brain. There, it slows down the functioning of the central nervous system, dampening the communication between brain cells. This can lead to slurred speech, unsteady movement, and impaired judgment. But that's not all. Alcohol can also mess with our ability to form new memories. It interferes with a brain region called the hippocampus, a crucial player in memory formation. When alcohol levels in our system are high, our hippocampus might go on a little vacation, leading to what we call a blackout. These blackouts aren't just embarrassing moments you can laugh off the next day. They could be a sign of alcohol poisoning, a life-threatening condition. And frequent blackouts? They can lead to long-term memory issues and even brain damage. But here's the good news. You have the power to prevent this. Limiting your alcohol intake, drinking slowly, and never drinking on an empty stomach can help you steer clear of blackouts. Understanding how alcohol can cause blackouts is the first step towards responsible drinking. Remember, knowledge is power.